Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, so first please get subscribed and press the bell icon so you will never miss any update for the upcoming videos and tutorials. So yeah, as we started already with the Python programming course level 1. So today's topic is while loop. What is the while loop in Python? We will see in detail with some examples. So very first I'll open IDLE. Guys, again, I am requesting you to please watch all my videos. Otherwise, you will get again confused for the new topic. So I opened IDLE. I'll open file. I'll say new file. All right. So what we are going to learn today, we are going to learn loop. Yeah. In loop, already we have learned for loop. If you have not yet watched the video, go and watch the video. I'll give the link in the description. Today we are going to learn about while loop. Now, what is while loop? Basically, what is while? Like, why do we use while in general? For example, let's say while waiting for the food to arrive, let's play, some game, right? Yeah, you ordered some food on, Zomato, Swiggy, or any food ordering app, and you're waiting for that food, right? So what you will say, like, while waiting for the food to arrive, let's play some game, right? You are giving a condition, right? There is a condition till food will arrive, you're going to play what? A game, right? So same, till your situation or your condition is not satisfied, your loop will keep on running and running. This is called as while loop. Okay, but how exactly it works in Python, let's see with some example. Okay, so yeah, let's start. So what we are going to learn is, we are going to learn in while loop in Python. Okay, so what is the task? I want to print the series of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 10. So I will say I is equals to 1. What is the value of I? The value of I is 1. Okay. While I becomes less than 11. And what is the less than 11? The nearest value, that is 10. So when I will become 11, stop the loop, right? It will stop the loop. Print I every time. Okay. So I'll press Control F5 to run my code. I have made a separate folder on my desktop, Python programs. You also made a separate folders for each, you will save each and every program separately in that folder. I'm going to give the name while underscore loop. I'll press enter. Now see what will happen. Did I mention anything in my program? So the value of I will increment or get, increase? No, I is 1. And what I said, while I become less than 11, print I. But the value of I will be only 1. Okay, I didn't mention anything in my loop which will help to increment the value of I, which will help to increase the value of I. So what will happen if the value of I is only 1? Let's see. I'll save it. Now let's see. It will keep on printing 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. See, it is not stopping. I'll say Control C, that is a keyboard interrupt to stop the loop. What was happening continuously? It was printing 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. See, the reason was because I said I is equal to 1 while I becomes less than what? 11. We keep on printing I, but how I will become 11? For that, I have to use the increment operator, that is I plus equal to 1. It means every time value of I will increase, or you can say increment by 1. Okay, so what will happen is, I'll say Control F5, I'll press enter. So what is happening here? Let's see. Okay, very first, what was the value of I? The value of I was 1. While I is less than 11, yes, the value 1 is less than 11, print I. The value of I was what? 1. Okay, down it will go. I plus equal to 1. The value of I was 1 plus equal to 1. It becomes how much? 2. Okay, basically 1 plus 1, right? It becomes how much? 2. So it will go again up and it will check. Value of I becomes how much now? Value of I becomes 2. While I less than 11. So yes, 2 is less than 11, print I. It will print 2. Again, plus 1. So this 2 becomes 3, right? This 2 becomes how much? 3. So the value of I becomes how much? 3. So value of I becomes 3. Again, it will check while I less than 11. Yes, 3 is less than 11. Print I. I is how much right now? 3. It will print 3. Again, it will go down and it will say I plus equal to 1. The value of I is right now how much? 3. 3 plus 1 is how much? 4. Again, it will go. Now the value of I become how much? The value of I become 4. Again, it is checking. While I less than 11. Yes, 4 is less than what? 11. Print I. It will print what? 4. So it will keep on doing till 10. When 10, what will happen? The value of I now becomes 10. Okay, value of I becomes 10. While I is less than 11. Yes, the value of I is less than 11 because it's 10. Print I. It will print what? I. The value of I right now is 10. I plus equal to 1. Now the value of I becomes what? 11. Again, it will go. The value of I becomes how much now? From 10 to it will become 11. While I less than 11. No, it is not 11 now. It is equal to 11, right? So here my loop will stop. So this is how looping is done, right? While I becomes less than 11, that is 10, it will keep on incrementing by 1. I said I plus 1, that's why it is incrementing by 1. If you will say 2, it will increment by 2. So this is how while loop works. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Stay connected with me for the upcoming videos. Bye bye. Take care.